Here's how you can view the Instagram Reel history, even the ones you didn't like. Open your Instagram profile. Tap the hamburger icon, then scroll down and select Privacy Center. Now, look for the Export Your Information entry and tap on Get Started under it. Next, select Export Your Information and tap Download or Transfer Information. Since we are only looking for Reel history, choose Some of Your Information. Then scroll to the bottom, select Ads and Topics, and tap Next. Select Download to Device, then choose the Date range. I have picked the past month, but you can select another range or set a custom one. Finally, click on Create Files. Once the data is exported, you'll receive a confirmation at the email address shown here. Once you receive the email, click on the Export Your Information link. Under your last request, click on Download. Enter your account's password when prompted. After the file is downloaded, right-click on it, select Extract All, then click on Extract. In here, open the Ads Information folder, then Ads and Topics, and finally the videos watched file. You can now check the Reel viewing history. It wouldn't list the actual Reel title, but the account that posted it and the time of interaction. You can similarly select another time range. And if you face any issues, drop a comment and let us know. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.